So, under the wonderful and holy guidance of about 8 grams of psilocybin, the spirits of the mushroom guided me towards a pretty cool ritual. And it's called the AKEPHALOS ritual, or AKEPHALOS ritual. And it's in the form of the Qabalistic cross. But the formula of the Qabalistic cross, but it really doesn't have to precede anything. It can actually, I think, personally do it before the bornless rite or the headless ritual, or Libra Samic, or how I like to do it is as its own little condensed, small, bornless ritual or headless rite. And the Qabalistic cross is a ritual within itself. The Qabalistic cross is it's a powerful ritual within itself. You're blasting divine light and that cross that you make yourself out and about, like, you know, every regular people like have like about 6 feet of a toroidal field around them. What makes that is that chi and that divine light. You could push that further out and out and out. And you collect chi this way. You just become a better magician or mage or witch or sages or sage, whatever you want to say. But for this in particular, this is just in the form of the Qabalistic cross. It's the 6 main special barbarous words that you're supposed to write on a bandana, burn, shit. So you face north and let the aspirant of the light divine cry aloud. AKEPHALOS, shine through me. Come forth in war, come forth in peace. Bring down the sun and extinguish every star. Let me remain in the splendor of thy light. See the divine lukes of Kether and grasp it with both hands and pull it down like a holy savage. Bring forth the lukes, and just like in the Qabalistic cross, see your crown chakra and your third eye, your Agna chakra, begin to pulsate with brilliant white light and connect with the eternal source, the bornless spirit, and such is the word. Ayot. And you touch your heart chakra, but you bring down the shaft of divine white light right here. And you say, Abriot. Now you touch your genitals and you're pushing all the lukes down into the earth, making a column. And you say, Vasim. Then you see the lukes. You're pushing lukes out of your right shoulder. You have your sword wood, you're pouring it out on your right hand and your left hand. You're pushing it out with your left hand while saying, Veisak. Vezaveo. Bring hands to the sign of fire. Leolam. And then with the fingers still in the triangle, bring it down over your genitals, making the sign of water, and you say, Iyam. hands to prayer position. Bornless one, headless spirit, AKEPHALOS, hear thou me, and make subject all spirits unto me, so that every spirit of the firmament and of the ether, upon the earth and under the earth, on dry land and in the water, and of the whirling air and of the rushing fire, and every spell and scourge of God, Yahweh, the vast and the mighty one, the Lord of the universe, may all these spirits be obedient unto me, in the divine name of Yeshua. Amen. Now, I'm going to take something from another alternative Kabbalistic cross. This is the Enochian, and it's in Enochian, it's in the English, OZMMAD. And how you say that is, you do the Osiris Slain sign, you say, Ozarem Imade, Ozarem Imade. That means, make me a god, deify me. Amen. So that's just a little fun thing that I like to do. And see how it works on you, see how it fits. I like it. So.